Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV out here at TriggrCon 2022 in Flint Oak, Kansas. I'm here at the Nighthawk Custom booth with my buddy Noel. Noel, what do you got today?
Hey guys, first gun we're going to talk about is the Delegate. This is one of our newest models. One of the things, or one of the reasons we come out with this pistol is our counselor is an officer-sized gun, 3.5-inch barrel. Some guys wanted a gun that's just a little bit bigger, depending on the size of their hands.
Right.
So we come out with this 4 1/4 commander length. It's got a full-size grip. If you'll notice, it's got a mag weld that's built in, and then we've got the titanium screws it comes with. One really neat thing I like about it, it has your standard serrations on the rear of the slide, but if you notice on the front, they've actually taken material away, but left the slides positive, so like it makes it really convenient for press check. Just something that makes the gun different. Another really neat option that you can get on the Delegate or the Counselor and most of our models, it's called the Interchangeable Optic system.
Okay, and why don't you tell our audience what that's about for those who don't know about it?
Okay, the Interchangeable Optic system is a really neat system. Basically what it allows you to do, if you equip your gun with the Interchangeable Optic system, that option costs $350, and then you can buy an optic plate, and they're $150.
Okay.
And we make them for several of the most popular models of optics. But one really neat thing about it is, once you change it out, it's very simple to do. It takes less than a minute to change it out, but it'll never get loose, and it always holds a 0. So that's one really neat thing. You don't have to worry about. So really solid optic lockup. And what kind of options do you have as far as optics that you can mount on it? Okay, you can get a TriggrCon plate, RMR, and it'll also it'll work on the Hollow Sun. And then we make one for the RMS Shield and the Vortex Viper currently.
So back to the Delegate. Why would I, as a concealed carrier or just a firearms enthusiast, want to buy the Delegate? Sell it to me.
Okay. The Delegate is it's just hard to beat. It's a commander size gun that has a mag weld that's built in. It has a match grade 4 1/4 barrel. Okay. And it's just incredibly accurate. We guarantee all our pistols shoot 1-inch groups at 25 yards. That's unheard of.
Yeah, very accurate. We've been shooting it out here at the range, so I got to see it. James got to see it. This is a great pistol so far. Very very accurate.
Yeah, it's just a neat gun because of the size of the gun. You can carry it very easy, either appendix or 3 o'clock, or just, it doesn't matter, fanny pack, however you want to carry it. It's just a really good option, and you don't have to give up any kind of accuracy.
Right. Now, 2 really important questions everyone at home is going to want to know. How much does it cost, and when can I get it, or where can I get it?
Okay. What it's going to cost is $42.99 is retail on the gun, and then if you want the interchangeable optic system, it's $350, and then $149 or $150 for the RMR plate.
So about $5,000 out the door for if I wanted it fully featured 1911. And this comes in 9mm, 45 ACP, and one other cartridge as well.
No, just 9 and 45.
Just
right
9
now.
and 45. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks again for telling us about the Delegate. Guys, stay tuned to TFBTV Show Time for more from TriggrCon 2022.